Can I install Android TV on my Samsung Smart TV?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss an important question many people have. Can I install Android TV on my Samsung Smart TV? Let's dive right into the details.
What is Android TV?
Android TV is a version of the Android operating system designed for digital media players, set-top boxes, and televisions. It offers a user-friendly interface for accessing streaming services, apps, and games from the Google Play Store.
What is Samsung Smart TV?
Samsung Smart TV refers to a line of smart televisions produced by Samsung. These TVs are equipped with Samsung's proprietary operating system, Tizen OS. Tizen OS provides a similar experience to Android TV, offering access to various streaming services and apps through the Samsung App Store.
Can I install Android TV on my Samsung Smart TV?
Unfortunately, you cannot directly install Android TV on a Samsung Smart TV. This is because Samsung Smart TVs run on Tizen OS, which is not compatible with Android TV. Since these operating systems are fundamentally different, you cannot simply replace Tizen OS with Android TV.
What are the alternatives?
If you're interested in using Android TV with your Samsung Smart TV, there are alternative solutions available. One option is to use an external Android TV device, such as a set-top box or a streaming stick. These devices can be connected to your Samsung Smart TV via HDMI, allowing you to access Android TV features and apps while still using your Samsung TV as the display. In conclusion, while it is not possible to directly install Android TV on a Samsung Smart TV, you can still enjoy the benefits of Android TV by using an external device. We hope this video has been helpful, and happy streaming!